making homemade mango ice cream with my neighbor. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need mango, we need frozen bananas,
And we need maple syrup.
Let's get started.
This is mine. Let's add some bananas, mango, and syrup. Let's do this.
Looks like a milkshake. It's time to try it. It's real banana and good.
It's very good. It has all the ingredients we need.
And it's super yummy like pancakes. Thanks for watching. Now you can enjoy.
If you want to watch how we made it, or you could use
Subscribe to the video.
or you could use like strawberries and blueberries.
You can make your own infamy.
You can make whatever kind you want. But this is how we made ours.
It's really good with
And
flavor.
I'm